Ball possession on Hidlugan, Vergara. Pass to number 28, Miles. No good. Rebound taken by number 91. Intercepted number 16. Rian. Intercepted number 19, Kapili. Kapili fires a three. No good. Offensive rebound, number 0, Miles. For 2 points.
Wag na muna. Wag na muna yan.
Number 16, dribbling the ball, pass to number 7, back to number 16, number 16, pass to Vergara, Vergara, Miles, no good, offensive rebound number 14, pass to number 7, Miles, no good, rebound by number 0, of Tikiwan, number 19 here, dribbling the ball, pass to Lalan, number 20, 81, pass to number 0, Miles, no good. Rebound by Vergara, dribbling the ball. Arbans, number 7. Navarro, number 28. Yes, for 2. Mayon. Pass to Lalan. Number 0, Mayon. No good. Rebound Mayon yan, number 14. Number 16, pass to number 7. Pass to Navarro. Number 20 now. Number 7, Valencia. Pass to number 0, 19. Tumira stress? Yes. Number. Score 5-2 in favor of Tikiwan. Navarro, number 28. Jumper is good. 2 points. Kapili to number 20, number 25, good. Rebound taken by Daniel. Pass to Vergara. Vergara dribbling the ball. To Navarro, Miles, yes for 2. Change favor tayo ngayon. 6-5 in favor of Hidlugan. Inside pass number 1 to Mira Sala. Arba. Nabitawan, pass to number 19. To number 20. 2 points. Change favor again. 7-6 in favor of Tikiwan. Intercepted number 7. Pass to number 19. Tumira stress. No good. Offensive rebound number 0. Back to number 19. Lays up. No good. Rebound by Daniel. Pass to number 7 of Hidlugan. Season. Season ngayon. Pass to Rian. Number 16. Miles. No good. Rebound number 20. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Lays up. No good. Number 20. Yes for 2. Many time. Para sa ating first review. Navarro ngayon. Sumalaksak, Tumira, 2 points. Kapili. Looking for his teammate. Tumira. No good. Vergara. Pass break number 16. Pass to number 1. Yes for 2. Number 7, rather. Season. Change favor again. 10-9 in favor of Hidlugan. Natabay? Number 7, Valencia, no good. 2 points on number 16 to Navarro. Navarro, yes for 2. To number 20. Number 20, fires a 3, no good. Andel ngayon, naripat ang bola, pass to Vergara. Vergara fires a 3, no good. Rebound number 20 of Tikiwan. Number 19, Kapili, no good. Follow-up is good. In favor of Tikiwan. Time remaining 4 minutes and 28 seconds. Out of bounds. Number 0. Fires, no good. 0 again. Yes, for 2. Cesar Bates, pass to number 16, fires no good. Rebound taken by Valencia, pass break to number 20, lays it up. Yes, for two. Official score 21-12 in favor of Tikiwan. Number 16, pass to Vergara, pass to Navarro, Navarro pass to number 16 to number 0, Rosuelo, 3 points. Number 20, fires a three, in and out. Rebound taken by number 0, Rosuelo, pass to Vergara, number 1, back to Rosuelo, pass to Real, Real fires a three, no good. Follow up on the nail. Yes, for two. Number 20. What a move. On number 20, 2 points. Score number 23-77. Navarro. Yes, for two. Number 0-0. Pass to clock. Number 19, Capini, Bates. Pass to number 24. Navarro ngayon, nagmamadali, lays it up. Wala, sala. Number 0-0. Intercepted by number 14, pass to Vergara. Vergara ngayon, sumalaksak, lays it up. No good, rebound by number 7, Valencia. Pass to number 19, fires a three. Number 19, in favor of Tikiwan. Real, to Aniel, back to Real, to Rosuelo, Rosuelo fakes. Navarro, to number 16. Real ngayon, fires, no good. Rebound by Rosuelo. Fakes, pass to Vergara. Fakes, fires, no good. Rebound by number 7, Valencia. To number 1, nakuha niya. Inside pass, number 7, no good. Time. Rosuelo, fires a three, no good. Rebound by Claude, number 1. 30 seconds. Capini, fires a three. Capini, 3 points. 15. 10. Navarro, 2 points. 5. Bola kay Tikiwan. Number 20, fires a three. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Navarro. Intercepted number 20. Pass play to number 24. Lays it up. Yes, for two. Rosuelo. To Bulea. To Karan. Karan fakes. Pass to Navarro. Number 91 Leon. Pass to number 0-0. Number 0-0. Inside pass. Back to number 20. Number 20 fires. No good. Rebound by number 23. Pass to Rosuelo. Rosuelo ngayon. Tumulea. Kabael. 10 seconds to shoot. Kabael fires. No good. Rebound Bulea. To Kabael. Yes, for two. Score number 33-23 in favor of Tikiwan. Number 1. Lau. 3. Official score. 3-2 Lumasig. Maganda nga po, sir. Number 1. 5-3. No good. Rebound by number 35. Masilungan. Number 4, Pacayes. No good. Rebound by Pulea. Pass to Rosuelo. Rosuelo magdali. Legs up. No good. Follow by Pulea. It's good. No two. Score 36-27. Time remaining 6 minutes and 36 seconds. Advance. Councilor Divera. Magandang hapon po. Kabili. Number 24, rebound the ball. Pass break to Navarro. Navarro to number 35. Lays it up. No good. Rebound by number 35. Kumbang is good. Time out. Kabili. Fakes. Pass to number 0. Yes, for 2. Boleh na yun. Pass to Vergara. Vergara fakes. Pass to Navarro. Pass to Karan. Karan fires. Yes, for 2. Wow. To number 19, Kapili fires. Kapili. Bulea. No good. Rebound number 11. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 20. Lays it up. Yes, for 2. Visual score 43-31. 12-point lead of Tukiwan. Navarro fires. No good. Rebound by number 20. Pass to number 19. Kapili. Kapili fires on 3. No good. Offensive rebound number 20. Fires on 2. Yes, 4-2. Visual score 45-31 in favor of Tukiwan. Vergara. 2 points of Vergara. Intercepted. Number 0 to number 1. Cross pass to number 20. Fires. No good. Rebound number 23. Pass to number 14. Pass to Vergara. Vergara. Pass to Navarro. Navarro. 2 points. 45 in favor of Tukiwan. 9-point lead. Kapili. To close. Number 0. Inside pass. Number 11. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 14. Rebound by number 23. Vergara ngayon. Vergara. Lays it up. Yes, for 2. 45-37. 8-point lead. Barangay Tukiwan. Vergara. Bolea. Yes, for 2. Number 1. Pass to number 20. Masilungan. Fires on 3. No good. Rebound taken by number 21. Pass to Vergara. Vergara ngayon. Nagmamadali. Inside pass to Aniel. Aniel. Yes, for 2. 41-45. Apat na lang ang kalamangan ng Tukiwan. Clock takes Cloud. Okay pa. Navarro. Nagmamadali. Navarro. Tapik ang bola. All na ka. All 50. Bola ulit na. Number 25. Navarro. Rebound kay Navarro. 10. 5. Tapos. Rosuelo to Navarro. Using the glass. Yes, for two. Capili surveying the floor. Fire zone 3. Yes, sir. Capili to 3. Takes favor. Vergara looking for his teammate. Cross-court pass to Rosuelo. Set action. Good. Rebound on Navarro. Claude to Capili, pass again. Not this time. Rebound on Navarro. Rosuelo. Advance pass, number 21. Claude. Touch pass. Capili makes. Nice pass. Capili fires from downtown. Yara. Intercepted. Not complete. Navarro. Rosuelo. Take the shoot. One-handed shot. No good. Claude. Pass to Masilungan. Claude fakes. Dancing inside. Intercepted by Bulaya. Rosuelo. Pass to Vergara. Fakes. Pull up. Pass. Abael saves the ball. Take the shoot. Miscommunication. Capili. All by myself. Yes, for two. Bulaya. Dribbling steal speed. Seconds on the shot clock. Vergara fires. Air ball. Claude 6 again. Bomb. Vergara. Pass to Rosuelo. Cross-court pass. Bulaya fires. Not good. Bounce pass. Yes, home position. Sa mga barangay captain na narito, magandang hapon din po. Vergara to Rosuelo from downtown. No good. Long rebound on number 20. Masilungan behind the back pass. Masilungan dancing. Claude. Pull up jumper. Yes, for two. Rosuelo to Bulaya. Bulaya. Kobe Bryant move. No good. Their football is good. Claude number 1. Air ball. Tap from behind. Capili to Masilungan. Buys 2 points. Navarro. Emergency pass. 40 to shoot. Vergara fires. Rebound on Barangay Tikiwan. Claude. Fancy pass. Speed. Again. Vergara fires. Sablay break. Rosuelo. Overshoot. Kapili to number 11. Masilungan. Fakes. Dakho. Pass to his opponent. Navarro. 2 points. Masilungan. 100 shot of the last for 2. Vergara to Rosuelo. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Bolea 10 to shoot. Bolea fires. Put back by again. 2 points. Close number 1. And take lace. No good. Bolea. Number 19. Kapili. From the parking area. Rosuelo. Namamagana lamang. Vergara to Navarro. No good. Get his own ball. And that basket is good. Claude bars on 3. No good. Angel Boga high rebound. Pass to Bolea. Cross-court pass. Number 16. Not this time. Angel. Not good. Kapili behind the back dribbling. Fires from downtown. Vergara slicing. Pass break to Blood. Bomb and 2 points. Bolea. 14 to shoot. Wow! Wow! Bolea. Malabanan fires. 3. 2 minutes. Bolea. There's a push. Intercepted by number 14. Angel bringing down the ladder. Vergara from the parking area. Sablay. Basket number 0. Malabanan. Pass to basket number 0. 2 points. Real number 16. Bolea takes. Pass break to Kapili. Let's go Kapili. Vergara. Let's 50 seconds. Kapili overshoot. Vergara. Finish big. Yes. 30 seconds. Kapili. 10 to shoot. Same ball. Now play. 10. Real fires. Air ball. Basket. Kapili orchestrating a play guarded by Rosuelo. 12 to shoot. Masilungan. 5 to shoot. Rosuelo fires. Not good. There's Masilungan. Dancing. Rosuelo. Navarro. Number 35. And time move. Kapili. Finds God. Number 11. Binaba. Rosuelo to Navarro. Inside, no good. Rebound on number 91. Intercepted. Rosuelo. Lace. For shot. 11 seconds. Number 35. Rosuelo. Drinking water. Claude Pies on 3. Yes, sir! Three! The shot is brought to you by Generica. Masilua! Vergara. To Rosuelo number 0. Navarro. Bomb. There's a foul. Claude number 1. Claude has 8. Time to shoot. Not this time. Vergara to Kabael. Oh! Zala! Vergara from downtown. No good. Claude. More to Rosuelo Pies from 3. Claude finds Masilungan from 3. Rebound by his teammate. 5 to shoot. Tumama sa rin. Bulaya to Vergara. Vergara. Intercepted. 6 minutes. Pies. No good. Rebound by number 10. Back to Mapili again. One-legged shot. 2 points on Mapili. Rosuelo to Bulaya. Sablay. Masilungan to Mapili again. Vergara. Masilungan, 14 to shoot. Sablay again. Bolea. Stop. Pies. No good. Masilungan to Claude. Yes, hole number 1. Season number 7. Yes, hole number 7. Claude to number 00. Pies. Up the glass. Water. Season. And to shoot. And number 16, put back, 2 points. Vasquez fires. All ring. Season crosses. Big pass. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 16, no good. Number 00. 12 to shoot. And so number 24. Pass to number 23.